how to recover deleted Google Calendar event. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up Google Calendar on your PC, and then on the top right, you'll see a gear icon, which is the settings. Go ahead and tap on it. There you'll find trash. Tap on it, and here you'll be able to find your deleted events. However, make sure that you come here before 30 days because Google Calendar automatically deletes the trash items after 30 days. So if you want to recover it, then just tap on it, and there you'll see restore work option, which is like an back arrow. Go ahead and tap on it, and there you go, your event has been restored. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.